This was awesome. Welcome to Lagos Lux Kitchen. Are you watching us for the first time? Hey, in fact, I would like you to carry your akoti, carry your chair, and just sit down and make sure you watch me to the end. So today, in Lagos Lux Kitchen, we have for you this Baba product. Can you see Ori Ola Pounded? Anytime I make it for my customers, even for my customers at home, it's the best. So today, I want to show you how you can make it. We are making it together, remember? How you can make it for your, Ade Orioki. Yes, so you make it for your crown and also in your restaurant, in your kitchen, anything it goes. So today, we're going to be making this poundo. First thing first, the Agemawo. Yes, it's going inside the pot. Boiled though, I boiled it for 30 minutes. So with the Ponmo, some beef there, everything. So we're going to cover the pot and allow it to cook again for another 5 minutes. Let's go. So next thing, you're adding palm oil. And there goes the onions, chopped onions. So remember, I left the meat to cook for another 5 minutes. So that is the onions. Then for nutrients and more additional aroma, here goes in our crayfish, blended crayfish, malakika, I'll give it a little mix, seasoning and salt. So all we need to do next is just to adjust the salt seasoning ratio. So after mixing that, next go ahead to add Periwinkles, surplus. Next thing, our tomato pepper blend. Oops. Good. So we'll leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. This is hot water, boiled water. So this is our Ori Ola Pounded going inside boiled water. Then when you want to make it, you must make sure that you have some hot water reserved. This is the hot water reserved, so you pour it over. There's something about Ori Ola. It's very easy to mix and it will cook and give you double of the size. It can never be a short take to you. Whether you want to sell it to your customers or you want to eat at home. So mixing it like this, you just make sure that your hand is firm. You mix very well, that there will be no lumps. We'll add the extra hot water. So this spoon now is to wash your hand, and also this spoon for serving swallow. Now let's go. And just make sure that the side of the pot is traced well. We are going to add the extra hot water. Then you now leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. 4 minutes is okay, or 4 minutes is perfect, depending on the size, the quantity of what you are preparing. Kilo day waiting happen. Let's check. See, everywhere there's no space. In Lagos Lux Kitchen, can you imagine? Everywhere in Lagos, everywhere is just jam-packed. No space for entry. Where we go pass? Can you imagine? So at this point, our soup base is sticking a little, but we'll still cook a little more time. Can you see still a little bit watery? So we'll still cover it and make sure it's sticking a little before adding our vegetable. Because after adding the vegetable, no more water, nothing. So here, I'm going to cover it. Yes. So we have gotten to where we are going. This is where we are going. Can you just see? Now the sauce is sticking a little. So at this point, we are good to go. Let's go ahead to add our veggies. That's Waterleaf going in. Firstly, Waterleaf. So after adding the Waterleaf, you add seasoning for adjustment. So for the adjustment, I'm using 1.5 cube beef seasoning, then some salt. So leaving that to simmer a little, we are adding the steamed green and African spinach. That's shoko and tete. So cover again. Let it cook. After leaving it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Let's see what we have already. I bet you if you're not craving for this vegetable soup and Ori Ola Pounded, you are wrong. Yes, I can say it that you are wrong. Look at the periwinkle everywhere. Be like, how many minutes of water now? So
Moisture on the beat, baby.
Tẹ́lẹ̀ nínú orin tó lè kọjá ẹni Ọlọ́run fẹ́ lọ́mọ èèyàn fẹ́ ẹ máa yọ́nú sí mi àgbàtọ̀mọdé ẹ máa yọ́nú sí mi o ọkùnrin tóbìnrin ẹ yọ́nú sí mi ẹni bá yọ́nú sí mi ṣíwájú ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba, ìyọ́nú Ọlọ́run ọba òun lẹ́ ó máa rí. Mo ní ẹ máa yọ́nú sí mi, ọkùnrin ẹ yọ́nú sí mi, obìnrin ẹ yọ́nú sí mi, gbogbo ẹni bá yọ́nú sí mi.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi, my people, if you are not here, you are missing o. Ori Ola Pounded Yam flour. Ori Ola Pounded. Can you see? You can see this as it goes with the vegetable soup. Agemawo. It's everywhere. So you'll be asking, how can you get this pounded? Just log on to